Volcano explosion.
Haley is excited.
Will that fit in there?
Yeah.
Pop.
Okay, now just wait.
If you drop the iPad.
Shh.
I don't
You hear anything?
know. All I hear is Dad chewing the cap.
Yeah. All right. Come on. Just give it a minute.
This is gonna be.
It'll work.
Viewers, please skip 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
It'll work.
Even Haley knows.
Haley, what do you think? It's.
While it's going, please enjoy family drama.
It's.
Damn, I'm freaking out.
Well,
I think you need to get closer, Crystal.
maybe. Maybe we need more.
How about
Vinegar. Stop.
You don't need more vinegar.
Grayson, go. Hunter, go grab the bottle of vinegar.
Maybe you need more baking soda.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't put much vinegar in there.
Yes, you did.
No, not compared to how much water was in there. Grayson, what do you think? Haley,
Maybe
what
we
do you
should
think?
shake it.
Is it gonna work? No. Sally, she said, no.
Hunter, hurry up. Whoa. Oh, wait.
Move. No. All right. No. Oh my gosh.
You need it.
This. I wanted vinegar.
You need that. Trust me.
Go get the vinegar, son, like your mother asked you to.
We'll just pour a tiny bit. I like how you got the big soda all over. Good job, Mom. Very good job. Let me see.
Huh? Whoa. Hunter,
Hurry up.
Did you get lost, though?
open it up.
Can I pour it in?
Yeah. Here you go.
Did I chew on this cap, Mommy?
Here we go. Grayson.
Oh, this is gonna explode. Oh,
Ah! There it
sorry
goes.
that it's pink. We didn't have any.
There it goes.
See, it was fine if it was on the if it was on the table. You
Well, I don't know.
fools.
It's still going. Whoa! Is that cool,
It needs more
Haley?
baking soda. Let's see what happens.
Grace.
Really?
For all them ladies out there.
Oh, Hunter. You're a mess.
So while we go, so we don't show everybody.
Mister going to hop out when we go to Will's to Charlotte's.
Do we show everybody who's Hunter?
Hunter's rubber ducky. There's Hunter's rubber ducky.
That's Haley.
Sure.
My toys are back over
Sure,
there.
Stubbs.
What did you
toys.
say?
My toys are back over there.
What was that about the ladies? Ladies love a guy who plays with bath toys.
Yeah,
So cute.
about that.
All right, good job.
It needs more baking soda.
No, it doesn't.